Why do some voices sound like they're speaking backwards? Imagine if your toys started talking in a funny way, like saying Olish instead of hello. This happens because sometimes sounds get mixed up, like a puzzle. When you play a song backwards, it sounds silly because the pieces are in the wrong order. But guess what? Some people think they hear secret messages. It's like finding a hidden treasure in a story. So, next time you hear a funny voice, remember, it's just a sound puzzle waiting to be solved. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.